In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a repository on GitHub. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top right and select on your profile picture just like so. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see your repositories. It will then bring you to a page that looks like this, and from here, go ahead and select on the repository you would like to delete. So I'm going to be deleting this one right over here. Alright, and then once you're done with that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press over here where it does say settings in the top menu. So press on settings, and then there you go. So now all we need to do is we need to go ahead and scroll down all the way down, and then eventually you should see over here this option that says delete repository. So if you're 100% sure you want to delete this repository, go ahead and just press on delete over here. It is going to be in the very bottom. So there you go. Go ahead and press on that. Then go ahead and just confirm that you want to delete it. Then go ahead and press on I have read and understand these effects. And then once you're done with that, you will need to go ahead and just type in the name of your repository right over here. So all I'm going to be doing is just entering it in, then pressing on delete this repository one more time. And as an extra layer of security, you will need to go ahead and input your password every time you're trying to delete a repository. So go ahead and do that really quickly. Okay, and once you're done with that, your repository should now be deleted. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.